might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness.
Grabe guys, dito kami ngayon, Ford Balintawak. Okay, lalabas din sa kaya ko, Ford Ranger 2014 model. Hintayin nyo lang ha.
Good morning guys. Dito kami ngayon sa Fort Balintawak. Ay grabe. Kumbaga, isa na naman sa mga leaders ng grupo. Ngayong araw na to, lalabas ang sasakyan niya. Malungkot. Kumbaga, yung system ng group, yung result, ano na eh, given na talaga eh. Kumbaga, gagawin na lang yung mga friends namin na na-offer ng business na to. Yung duda siguro, huwag gawin. Huwag ka magduda. Kasi another success story na naman to. Kasi sa mga leaders namin. This guy, 1 year lang na ginawa yung business online. Okay na yung house niya. Tapos lang ang bless niya ng house niya. Last month, diba? And then ngayon naman, itong Ford Explorer, Ford XLT Ranger. Ngayong araw ito ilalabas. Palakpakan natin. Enjoy.
You know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Guys, ako pala si Raymond. May Black Unicorn Alliance. Grabe, nung nagsimula ako sa Ibloban, hindi ko kalahin magkakaroon ng ganito. Kasi bakit? Nung nag-employment ako, hindi ako nangarap sa magkasakyan. Pero sa Ibloban, grabe, binigay. Ngayon, 1 year and 3 months na po, nagkaroon po ako house.
Don't waste your time.
Pero ito po, bagong-bago, Ford Ranger 2014 model. Diba? Ngayon ikaw, nagdududa ka pa niya, huwag ka na magduda. Diba? Subukan mo lang siya. Kasi bakit? Kung hindi nangyari sa akin, baka pwedeng mangyari sa akin. Grabe po, ito na. Hawak ko na. Yung Ford Ranger 2014 model. Binigay na po sa akin ng Inbound. Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Up June, Loreto Amil, Ryan Tumada, Upline Ryan Tumada. Then, lalo-lalo na po kay Upline Ernesto Chow. Then, yung pinaka-mentors po, Up Gilbert Salamagos po. Maraming salamat po lahat po sa mga downlines, grupo, crossline. Maraming salamat po, hindi ko makukuha. Hindi dahil sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. Bye.
Bad news, talking this and that.